Would you believe this kettle has boiling water inside, but I can touch it easily? Totally safe. Lux double walled kettle. This is my favorite kettle for so many reasons. First, it's totally safe. Inside is stainless steel, 304 stainless steel, which will never rust. Outside is a nice plastic cool touch coating and looks so attractive. There is a base, so I can keep it easily, and it's super powerful, 1800 watts. And such a wide mouth, so I can easily put my hand inside and clean it. And now we pour some water. There is auto shut off. When the water gets boiled, it will shut off automatically. And how do we know the water is boiling? Let's put it to test inside a thermobot, which will tell us the temperature of the water. We fill the thermobot with water, close the lid, touch here, it will tell you what is the temperature of the water inside.